I've said it before, and I'm saying it again. It doesn't matter the number of people that want to stand with you. Even if you're standing alone, no matter the short side you're standing, provided you're standing on the right side, maintain your stand. And we're happy to stand with him. We're also happy that he's standing with us. Even him alone is giving people high blood pressure. They are restless, granting all sorts of things. Why are they doing it? Because the people that matters, the people that have what they claim they have, integrity, are with us. That's the truth. So if we have one person who has integrity, is it not better than having 1,000 with questionable character? Continue to support your daddy. He's a great man. He is a great man. It's only those who understand what greatness is all about. Greatness is not money. Greatness is the value that you give to yourself. Greatness is the respect that even when you're being insulted, you look around and you say, I know my value. I will not bring myself down. That is greatness. So continue to stand with it. God will help us to achieve the purpose of governance with your help.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.